Okay, it's time to harvest potatoes. There's my mom. When I got home earlier, there were a bunch on top of the table. Look at that.
Oops. There's one right there. Oh, no. Some of them are not going to be very long.
There were some big ones. There were some small ones. There were some pretty good sized ones.
They didn't all come up at the same time. Look at that.
And the big one?
See that one?
Uh-huh.
That's a nice one. I'm trying to make sure I don't cut.
You don't cut roots. And
try to go slowly here.
well,
Aunt just told me that I had my foot in the wrong.
Yeah, I'm going to come around this side so I can see that one. Grass needs to be cut, so we can do that. I'm going to dig that one.
If I get down under it, I won't.
Okay. There's one. I see one right here. I don't know how big it is. Oh, little
That's
teeny
a little
one.
tiny one. Well, there's a nice one right down here.
Oh,
Trying to avoid.
There you go.
You don't want to get your hands dirty, do you?
Well, that ship has sailed. Very nice.
Okay, there's another nice one.
I roasted some already today, and they're really good. Kind of a little sweet, but they're really good. Not that sweet is a bad thing.